This video is brought to you by Dr. Kristen R. Bromley's Guitar Method Book Series and Online Music Academy.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kristen Bromley. Welcome to my online academy. It's wonderful having you join me here in these online lessons. In this video, we're going to jam together on 4 different songs where the melody is written in tablature. The focus of this lesson series, of course, is reading melodies written with tablature. And right now in the lesson series, we're working on reading in first position. So that index finger plays the notes in the first fret, the middle plays the notes in the second fret, ring finger plays the notes in the third fret, and then the pinky plays the notes in the fourth fret. So we're in the open or first positions. And right now we're especially reading melodies that are written for us to play on the lower strings of the guitar. So we're especially working on reading on those lower strings. It's super fun. This video accompanies the Tablature Book from my Method Book series. So in the book, we'll be starting on page 91 with song number 124. We're going to be on pages 91 through 93, playing songs 124 through 127. So those 4 songs. It's going to be super fun. Each one will happen at 2 different tempos. First a slower tempo and then a faster tempo. Of course, as we're playing these, we'll be jamming with the band. So it's going to be you, me, and the band playing these songs. So much fun. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, fantastic. I hope you are having fun with this and really enjoying playing the guitar. I know you guessed it, but in the next video that comes out that goes with this lesson series, we're going to work on reading some more melodies written in the Tablature Book. So it's going to be great. Take care, and I'll see you again. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And be sure to check out more great content. You can find more information about me and my products at KristenBromley.com. Take care.